It's ongoing airdrop campaign here. There are loads of airdrops currently ongoing on CoinMarketCap. I have Legend of Fantasy War. So this one is currently has about 8 days left for this airdrop to finish. So you want to jump on it as soon as possible. Market data is tracked. Price is here. You can see the price, circulation, everything. 24 hour volume. I think the beautiful thing here, okay, went from $0 to about $79 for a year. So you want to make your research, guys, about this project. I think the good thing here about this project is that the rank is at 1255 out of 118,000 on CoinMarketCap. Currently at 2.7 million watch list. So guys, for starters, all you need to do is to add it to your watch list. Say Legend of Fantasy War has been added to our watch list successfully. Official web address is here, Legend of Fantasy War. BP Smart Chain, BP20, you have tags, you can check out price estimates and more. So this is an NFT based airdrop. They'll be giving out 500 NFTs to lucky winners, ending by March 16th, guys. So on how to participate, it says in order to bring the Legend of Fantasy to the core people as well as expand our community, we're hosting an airdrop event in a collaboration with CoinMarketCap. This event is expected to give newcomers a kickstart when they join the world of LFW and encourage our legends to send their friends call to arms message. So there's a call to arms message, guys. So for starters, add it to your watch list, follow them on Twitter. Step 3, like, retweet their pin post. Or you can also tag as much as 100 friends if you do. It says that you should tag at least 3 friends. So you want to take note of that. Then join their Telegram, Discord, Fantasy on Facebook too. Then subscribe and follow their YouTube channel. So guys, you want to stay active on these channels. Hopefully you get noticed and picked. So Legend of Fantasy is responsible for the winner selection and reward distribution. So guys, that's it. Just try and stay active on this platform. Hopefully you get noticed and make sure you retweet your pin post and that's it. So peace out, guys. One love is your back keys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. See you in our future uploads. The links will be in the description box so you guys can participate on it. Peace out, guys.